Ever feel like networking is just code for awkward small talk, fake smiles, and collecting business cards you will never look at again? Yeah, same. But what if I told you that real networking has nothing to do with any of that, and might just be the secret weapon you're missing in your career? In today's modern workplace, especially if you are in tech or leadership, your technical skills might get your foot in the door, but it is your relationships that open the next one. This video isn't about working the room or being the loudest voice at the table. It's about building genuine, long-term relationships that help you grow, whether you're an introvert or someone who already knows how to work a crowd. Stick around as I break down how networking really works, why it matters, and how to make it feel less like a chore, even if you're not a natural people person. Let's face it, when most people hear networking, they either picture a crowd in suits tossing around buzzwords like synergy and thought leadership, or freeze up, plotting their escape from the next company happy hour. But networking isn't a personality contest. It's not about being extroverted. It's about building real connections that support your goals and open new opportunities, helping you lead more effectively, especially in tech-driven workplaces where collaboration is everything. Still, a lot of people mess this up. They either avoid networking completely or they try too hard and come off, well, a little desperate. The good news, you do not have to be fake and you do not need to hand out 500 business cards. You just need a better strategy and a mindset shift. Let's break this down into the 5 networking myths that might be holding you back and what to do instead. Myth number 1. Networking is for salespeople. You are not alone if you feel this way. Many IT leaders, engineers, and data folks say the same thing. Networking just feels too salesy, but here is the truth. Networking is not about pitching. It is about learning, sharing, and staying visible in a sea of smart people. Think about it like this. Imagine your career is a video game. You could play it solo, but it is going to take way longer to level up. Or you could form alliances, trade strategies, share resources. Suddenly, you are growing faster, solving problems more creatively and getting access to secret missions like job referrals or partnership opportunities. Try this instead. Next time you are in a meeting or event, ask a curious question, not a rehearsed pitch. Something like, how did you get into your role? Or what challenges are you working on right now? People really light up when you make it about them. Myth number 2. I am too introverted to network. Introverts, rejoice. You actually make better networkers in the long run. Why? Because you are more likely to listen deeply, ask thoughtful questions, and follow up in meaningful ways. That's networking gold. The problem is, we think we have to perform when networking, but real relationship building happens in quiet, one-on-one moments, over a quick coffee chat, a LinkedIn message, or even a shared joke in a Zoom meeting. Try this instead. Set a monthly goal to reach out to just one person whose work you admire. Send them a short message like, hey, I really appreciated your take on that topic during the last meeting. Would you be open to a 15-minute chat sometime this month? That is it. Zero pressure. Total human connection. By the way, if you are into this kind of content, we have a blog over at leadshift.tech with practical tips on leadership, communication, and career growth. We break down topics just like this in more detail and also incorporate insights into the use of AI. Great stuff, especially for modern leaders in tech and content creators. Worth checking out. Myth number 3. Networking only matters when I am job hunting. That's just, false and honestly kind of dangerous. Waiting to build your network until you need it is like deciding to learn CPR after someone has stopped breathing. Too late, friend. Your network is not just a safety net for layoffs, it's actually a career growth engine. It helps you stay current, get support, and build influence, both inside and outside your company. Think of it like planting a garden. If you only start watering when you are starving, well, good luck. But if you consistently show up, offering value, staying in touch, being visible, you'll be surrounded by opportunities when you need them most. Try this instead. Share something useful once a week on LinkedIn, a lesson from your work, an article you found helpful, or even a thoughtful comment on someone else's post. It keeps you visible and top of mind. Myth number 4. Networking feels fake. This one hits hard. No one wants to feel like they are using people. But here is the flip side. If you approach networking from a place of curiosity and generosity, it never feels fake. Great networkers are givers first. They ask how they can help. They remember birthdays. They send a message when they see a colleague's project get featured online. Try this instead. Start a simple relationship tracker, maybe in Notion, a spreadsheet, or, honestly, whatever works best for you. Just jot down who you talk to, when, and what they mentioned. Next time you see an article that connects to their work, send it along with a quick note. Something like, "Saw this and thought of our conversation." That's networking at its best. Warm, natural, and, yeah, super helpful. Myth number 5. I already have friends at work. I do not need to network. It is great to have close teammates, but networking means expanding beyond your immediate bubble. If all your connections think like you, work in your department, and know the same people, well, you are in an echo chamber. Broader networks expose you to different ways of thinking. They bring fresh ideas, new trends, and cross-functional insights that make you a better leader. Try this instead. Attend one cross-functional event or join an internal Slack channel that is outside your usual circle. Even better, host a short virtual lunch and learn, where you share a cool tool or idea and invite people from other teams. You are not just networking, you are positioning yourself as a connector. Here is the moment everything clicks. Networking is not an event, it is a habit. When you stop thinking of networking as something you go do and start seeing it as something you practice consistently, everything changes. You will stop feeling awkward or fake. You will stop panicking when you need help or a referral. Instead, you will realize your network is already working for you because you put in the reps. And here is the unexpected bonus. Networking makes you a better leader. It builds empathy. It sharpens communication. It helps you see the big picture. Whether you are leading a team, managing stakeholders, or navigating office politics, your ability to build authentic relationships is a massive, unfair advantage. Let us bring it all together. Networking is not about being slick or charismatic. It's not about passing out business cards like Halloween candy or name-dropping at every chance. It's about showing up consistently, being curious, offering value, and remembering that every relationship, big or small, can help shape your career. If you are introverted, awesome. Your listening skills and depth give you an edge. If you're already outgoing, great. Just remember to slow down and connect with intention. No matter where you are on the spectrum, the key is to treat networking as a long game. Be the kind of person others want to stay in touch with, not because you are flashy, but because you are helpful, thoughtful, and real. If this helped shift how you think about networking, give this video a like, and don't forget to check out our blog over at leadshift.tech.